Namaskar. Welcome to Shormishta Cooks. I am a teacher by profession, but cooking is my hobby and it is my passion too. So in this journey, I am going to bring for you some recipes which I like. Hope you will also like it, and please keep on sharing my channel and subscribing my channel. My today's item is saag sugar. So let's go and see what are the ingredients and the cooking process.
তো দেখা যাক আমি শাক সুগার রান্না করার জন্য কি কি নিয়েছি। Actually শাক sugar is egg poached in tomato sauce. So tomato puree I have taken, and this tomato was blanched and de-seeded, and after that puree was made in the mixer blender, and in this way I shall use 3 eggs for poaching. Here is some yellow and red bell pepper. Here is some peas and the corn, some chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, sugar for adjusting the taste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, some green chilies, chopped green chilies. I have taken the chopped spring onion. This is completely optional. You can use this, you cannot use this also. You may avoid this also. I have taken some cheese cream. So, and this is salt. So these are the primary ingredients, and I shall cook this saag sugar in white vegetable oil. I have taken the frying pan and adding 2 tablespoons white oil. Now I shall add this a pinch of cumin seed to it. Now I am adding the chopped onion. So in this saag sugar you can add any vegetables you like. So I have added this corn, peas and some spring onion. These are completely optional. I'm adding a little salt into it. So now I am adding this spring onions and the corn and the peas. I am using the frozen corn and the peas. You can use the fresh also. Now I am adding the bell peppers. আর দেখুন কি সুন্দর কালারফুল লাগছে, লুকিং ভেরি নাইস অ্যান্ড কালারফুল। তো আমি এটাকে ভালো করে কুক করব। এই ভেজিটেবলসগুলো সব সফট হয়ে যাবে। অল দিস উইল টার্ন সফট, and this is the time to add some more salt, and I am adding some black pepper powder also. You can add some oregano or thyme into it also for seasoning, but I am not adding any seasoning over here because I have already added the spring onions and so many vegetables. So I am not adding it. For the seasoning only the black pepper powder I have added. Now the red chili powder, and the flame should be controlled now. The cumin seed powder, and I want to add some chopped ginger and garlic, which I have not added earlier. So I have made a space over here where I shall add the chopped ginger garlic paste over here to make the taste more tangy. So this is the time to add the tomato puree. আর tomato puree যেটা বললাম এটা আগে আমি ব্লাঞ্চ করে নিয়েছি গরম জলে 10 to 15 seconds. তারপরে the skin of the tomato and the seed of the tomato I had removed, and after that I made the puree in mixer blender. So the rawness of the tomato should go. So mix this well and saute it in the pan. Spread it uniformly all over the pan so that the tomato also gets cooked along with the bell pepper and other vegetables I have added. So now this is the time when I am adding some chopped green chilies, and now making some place a little hole in the pan. I shall add the eggs one after another. The eggs will be poached with the tomato sauce and the vegetables with it. So one after another eggs will be added, and here also I am making another space for adding another egg. And now the last phase of seasoning, a little bit of salt to spread all over, and that should be according to your taste. Some sugar, I'm adding a little bit sugar, that is for adjusting the taste, and of course some freshly cut chopped green coriander. And lastly, I am adding some cheese cream in it. This is also completely optional. You can use this, you may avoid this also, but this beaten cheese cream goes well. You can add any other type of cheese with it also. Now I am keeping the flame medium low and covering the pan with the lid. Let it be cooked for 3 to 4 minutes, then I shall come and check. 4 minutes is over. Now I am checking this. You see it is beautifully done, and see how nicely the eggs have been already cooked. You can stop the process if you want a little bit soft egg, but I want it to be hard upside, but inside it will be little softer. So it depends on you. I generally cook it for 4 minutes, so you can cook it for 3 minutes also if you want softer egg. So it is nicely done. Now I shall only garnish this with some more fresh coriander, put off the flame, and now I shall serve this. So the saag sugar is ready and done. You see it's very colorful. Eggs also it is looking very nice with a fresh aroma of vegetables, eggs and the cheese.
So I think you have liked the recipe of saag sugar. The details of the recipe you will get in the description box of this video. So like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button, because as soon as I shall upload the video, the notifications will go to you. I'll be back soon with a new video. Till then, take care. See you soon.